Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's me Sean the Deep Sea Man, and today we're going to check out this float. This is a high level as well as a low level alarm. And remember, new spares sometimes do not work. So don't just install such items directly onto your engines, directly onto your systems. Test them out before you actually install them. So let's see how this one has failed us right now. So let's switch on the multimeter. Whoa. Okay, so this is supposed to have 3 contacts. One common, one for low and one for high. So one will be normally closed and the other will be normally open. So right now you can see this is normally closed, as well as this side which is supposed to be open is also showing me as closed. So this concludes that this switch is faulty. There's something wrong with the contacts. But anyway, let's look at the float itself. So when it is at one end, right now I've connected for the high level, so the float doesn't work. Even though moving it up and down like this, the float doesn't work. The contacts, the reed switches do not change. Now let's go to the low level. Low level also practically the same. Doesn't work at either ends. So this means that this brand new spare that we've received is faulty. So there are 2 ways to work about it. Most important one is take pictures, take the readings, prepare a report and send it to the supplier. So we should get a new spare. That's number 1. And in case we need to use it, we don't have any other option. Let's see how we go and stay tuned for part 2. We see how we get this working.